This is a UMZ 6L tractor with a homemade transfer case, driven by the second gear. The transmission is easily released when shifting to any gear. Along with that, the MTZ-82's all-terrain wheels can easily move in fields or snow like this. This is a wood harvesting tractor custom designed by the customer in Latvia using a combination of equipment from ZIL, MTZ, Kamaz and T150. It looks absolutely beautiful from the paint to the shape. A difficult combination of T150 tractor engine and Kamaz axle. This is a TDT-55 wood tractor produced by Onhedzets Tractor Factory OTZ, Russia. Mainly used in forestry such as pulling wood, guiding. It is somewhat old, even its bulldozer blade is tilted to one side, but its engine is still working quite well. Therefore, some businesses will buy back these old machines and transport them to repair shops. Soon it will be reused very effectively. The MTZ-82 tractor, known to many as Belarus, is a wheeled tractor produced at the Minsk tractor plant. The familiar image of rescue teams in the forest are bulldozers with familiar names such as John Deere, MTZ. They will assist tractor-trailer trucks in the job of transporting timber stuck in the forest to safer, harder dirt roads. The MTZ tractor was stuck quite deep in the mud. It's hard to believe this happened to him. They are looking at putting the cable underneath into the rear wheel, inserting the cable into the hole in the disc and twisting the knob. Pop the cable down, it will wrap itself around the axle shaft and pull. The T150 tractor will take on the role of rescuer with the chain tied tightly. But the mud looks pretty tight. The MTZ cannot move yet.
Вроде съехал чуть-чуть-то.
The surprising thing is that instead of using a cumbersome chain, Why don't they get a winch and the MTZ can start the engine to assist? A sewerage tractor fell on the roadside and was unable to get up on its own. They called in a bulldozer to do rescue work. Oh, that's not a bulldozer. To be exact, it must be a harrow that has just returned from farming with a harrow full of mud. Initially, the tractor driver sewerage also controlled the tractor to assist the harrow, but then he stood down to direct the rescue work. Then the tractor was also pulled out of the ditch on the side of the road and a man came. He would try to drive this tractor to see if it worked okay. There were quite a few spectators surrounding him and the tractor to see how he operated the machine. T40 is an agricultural tractor produced by the Vladimir tractor plant with an air-cooled 4-stroke 4-cylinder diesel engine. It is produced in all-wheel drive T40 and rear-wheel drive versions. It has an adjustable gauge for vehicle height on all wheels. Olmanovice is a village in Isk-Bojovice district, where mechanics who like to build new tractors come to test. They freely roll around in the mud with their tractor to test their ability to conquer the terrain.